Okay, and part of the reason for making the little snail is because I'm going to pop him on the gate, and this is just a little bit of an update of where we are at with the gate. I'm not going to release the parts to the video, the 3 days of the video, until after I've made the gate, because I want to edit it properly. But this little dude's going to go here, I think, something like that. Maybe I might just pop him over here, just going up here like this. I'm going to ask the customer first if they're happy to have that, because yeah, that's basically it. So we've got our big acorn up here. We've got our little acorns here. Got a nice square hole there, square punched hole there. It's going to be the ring where the little mural, leaf mural, is going to be with the acorns. And then we've got our tenons here, fire welded heel tenons down here. So yeah, very interesting so far. I've probably made every mistake that I can make, which is good. Okay, so I'm really pleased with this little dude. I think it might be a touch on the big side, which is a little bit of a problem, but it's not a great big problem. But I am going to still just check the customer to make sure that they're quite happy to have the little snail present on their work. But he came out really nice. Hopefully you learned something and enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the snail in the comments. I think that's everything. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, make sure you ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you every time I make a video. I make videos about twice a week, sometimes 3, and then there's occasionally there is a live. Check out the link in the description, take you to my Instagram and my website. I think that's everything. Oh yeah, comments, let me know what you thought of this project, let me know what you think of the gate so far. And as ever, that is everything. I'll leave a link up here to the first part, why I didn't want to take this job. I'll leave a link down here to the acorn swage video. This is my Patreon, and this here is the subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye.